Take your taste buds on a journey while practicing German. Experience German culture through food. Discover the best produce at the local farmer's market. Stick around till the end and learn how to master ordering there. Hello Internet, it's Fio and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm an expat living in southern Germany. I make bite-sized videos for English speakers who are trying to learn beginner-level German. From Weinfests to everyday Deutsch, you'll find useful German phrases that will help you communicate in different settings. In this video, we will be learning some basic German food vocabulary. Let's dive in. Los geht's! A huge part of understanding a culture is through its food, and in this lesson, you'll learn essential German vocabulary and phrases to use while shopping at a local farmer's market. Here are some of the most common foods you'll find at the farmer's market in Germany. Das Gemüse, die Gemüse, die Kartoffel, die Kartoffeln, die Karotte, die Karotten, die Tomate, die Tomaten, die Gurke, die Gurken, der Kürbis, die Kürbisse, die Bohne, die Bohnen, der Brokkoli, der Blumenkohl, die Paprika, die Paprikas, die Zucchini, die Aubergine, die Zwiebel, der Knoblauch, die Petersilie. Now that you know what each thing is called, let's learn how to order. Wie viel kostet ein Kilo Tomaten? How much is a kilo of tomatoes? Wie viel? How much? Kilo is a shortened version of the word kilogram, which is das Kilogramm in German. The response to this question could be as follows: 1,79 Euro per kilo, or €1.79 per kilo. The merchant could then say, Wie viel möchten Sie? How much would you like? Möchten is a verb and means would like to. Let's take a closer look. Ich möchte, I would like. Du möchtest, you would like. Sie, es möchte, he, she, it would like. Wir möchten, we would like. Ihr möchtet, you would like. Sie möchten, they would like. Your response could be as follows. Ich möchte einen halben Kilo, bitte. I would like to have half a kilo, please. The merchant could then ask, sonst noch etwas? Anything else? You have two options to answer this question. First, you could say, das wär dann erstmal alles. That's all for now. Or, if you'd like to have something else, you can say, ich möchte gern noch. I would also like. After you're finished with your order, the merchant will ring up the total and say, for example, das macht insgesamt, that makes a total of. Then your transaction could end as follows. Hier, bitteschön, vielen Dank. There you go. Thanks a lot. That's it for today's lesson. I hope these phrases will come in handy. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it truly helpful. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more beginner-level language learning content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bis bald! See you soon!